In this demonstration, we're controlling the angular position of Legos with an NVE smart sensor and a power control H-bridge board. We're alternating the reducer shaft between two angles and ramping the motor speed to minimize the stress on the Legos. The red and green LEDs indicate end of travel. A non-contact I2C angle sensor detects the angular position of a magnet on the crank. The sensor repeatability is 0.2 degrees. We have a web app to simulate magnet positioning latitude. It shows a wide spacing range, even for the small ferrite magnet that we used. An Arduino controls the system. The H-bridge shield controls the power to the motor and isolates the motor from the sensor and controls. I2C is a 2-wire interface, so we just need 2 interface wires, power, and ground. A simple program reads the sensor and controls the motor. We can read the sensor in a single line. Other manufacturers' sensors have complicated interfaces. These are the parts we used for the demo. Everything is awesome about these sensors. They work with wide magnet air gaps, detect absolute position. They're precise. Available in analog, I2C or SPI interfaces. We used I2C for this demo. And they're ultra miniature. Click, email, or give us a shout for more information or to order sensors, evaluation boards, or magnets. Thanks to everyone who worked behind the scenes on this video.